Hi, welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It's your host with the most. Watch this. Just about to do Vybz Kartel review on All Aboard, right? Because everybody are beating me bad for All Aboard. But see this other story that I found more pressing. Check this out. It is depressing and pressing because we have to talk about this, right? Right now, I have a video I try upload and the video is taking like 5 hours, 6 hours and more to upload. I don't know. I'm in a place right now where internet is not so prevalent. Yes, them things that happen afar in the United States of America. I be a cow cross the street and them thing that. So until I can get to better internet, you guys are gonna be getting like videos shot on the phone. So they're probably not top quality videos. But my core audience never come to SouFLoTV for quality videos. They come for quality topics, quality argument, conversation, them kind of something there, right? Now, watch this. I don't know if you remember, I did a video where I talked about Jamaicans being afraid to go home, part 1, right? And afraid to go home and do business in Jamaica. That was part 1. In that video, the thing that spiraled, or not spiraled, but the thing that, how should I say it now? The thing that made me want to do that video was the fact that this businessman in Jamaica had gotten killed, right? In broad daylight, somebody walk up and slap it upon him in a Mercedes-Benz truck, right? Now, fast forward a couple months later, and I'm sitting here and I'm saying to myself, the video that's uploading right now, before I even read the story, was about this ZOSO, how it's not working, Zone of Special Operations, how it's not working. After shooting that video, right, and trying to upload it, I went and checked online and I see something like how many murders, 19 murders in 12 days or something like that. I don't remember what the number is, but it's completely out of control. Now I'm sitting here doing this Vybz Kartel review, and I go post the review, and boom, run into this and thought this was a bit more pressing to talk about. So I don't know if y'all remember the man who get killed, the businessman that got killed. Well, they killed his father too, right? Jamaica must say I run mad no blouse and skirt. And I remember when I did that video, enough people, come on, not enough people, but there were a few people that came on and said stuff like, SouFlo, when people get slapped like that at Jamaica, they might seem innocent to you, but they're involved in things. Other people are saying, no, extortion is a big business in Jamaica and you either pay up or you dead. So them business people here, in my mind, I'm thinking, the Ram dial them, they own business, right? Me think somebody go extort them and them say no, them not pay up, and them say okay, you not pay up, bam, son gone. Anyhow, you not pay up, more family members are dropped. We still not pay up, bam, daddy gone. Now what? This is crazy. Or is it something like the priest there? We go to Jamaica and people are say, you never know, them man that travel and molest off people, picnic and them thing there, and they're powerful and protected by church organizations and all other kind of entities, high-powered lawyers. So people find it more justice or more justifiable for us rub them out, you know what I say, on their own, because they're not going to get no justice if them try fight them the legal way. So just looking at this from all different angles, I don't know what this is. Me want you leave a comment in the comment section below. But 3 months after them kill the youth, them kill him father too. So the story reads like this, right? Police officers are processing the scene where businessman Dennis Ramdial was shot dead on Monday. Today, Tuesday, right? Businessman Dennis Ramdial was shot dead along Beechwood Avenue in Kingston on Monday evening, just a little over 3 months after his son was gunned down in rush hour traffic in the city. Now, you know, you're gunned down in rush hour traffic. That means enough people out there is back-to-back, bumper-to-bumper traffic, and nobody saw nothing. Nobody came forward to say anything. No killer has been caught. Same thing happened to the daddy 3 months later. Watch this. Details behind the death of the Ramdial auto sales owner are not clear, but reports reaching certain news entity are that persons doing business in the area heard loud explosions before the body of the businessman was found with multiple gunshot wounds at his business place along Beechwood Avenue. Could it be that somebody buy a car or lease a car and they probably go up there, try bad up the man and say, yo, matter of fact, just sign over the papers and give me the car. I mean, I have no more payment fee or something like that. And he's saying, no, you're going to pay your monthly payment until you pay off the car or whatever. And man just nyam him food. Bam, bam, bam. Could it be that? I'm putting all kinds of angles to this story out there, right? I don't know. But it seems very weird. And let's talk about what it's doing to Jamaica, just like all the other killing them. Richard Ramdial, which is the son of Dennis Ramdial, was also shot in rush hour traffic in July. Dennis Ramdial's son Richard was gunned down on Ruthven Road in July while he was in his Mercedes-Benz sport utility vehicle in rush hour traffic. Reports then were that around 4:30 p.m. a gunman disembarked a motorcycle and pumped more than 12 bullets into the driver's side of Richard Ramdial's left-hand drive vehicle. Listen, this is crazy, because to see the father get killed right after the son get killed, it has me thinking now, what could this possibly be? I know what this stands for though. This makes people afraid to actually do business in Jamaica. People are saying, how come they're not killing no Chinese people? How come they're not killing any Chinese people? Here's another angle for you to look at it from. Remember, I know I'm only speculating, but what we do here at SouFLoTV, right, when we do these kinds of topics, we like to put it on the table, hash it out, and come at it from different angles. Here's another one. Come watch a video with big up to Wayne Lonesome over England right now. You know, he fly in and out. So big up Mr. Lonesome. He said some stuff that is very real. Nothing that I haven't said before, but to hear him say it confirms, right? When you're in Jamaica and people are do business, you have some business people in Jamaica that they don't just up their business dealing to compete with you. Them pay people to kill you, to shut your business down, so you're not a competition anymore. So who knows, the Ramdial them might be giving somebody a stiff competition in the car sales field. Them can't match the Ramdial price, them out to go to business, and them I say, yo, murder them people and get them out of here. Matter of fact, we don't have to do it. Life is cheap here. Pay 2 little mad boy, 2 little hot foot, walk up and slap them with some small change, right? Very possible. Now look into that even deeper. What I just said, people are saying, how come nobody is killing the Chinese people? No Chinese people not get killed yet enough. And the Chinese people them do big business in Jamaica, and from small level to big level, right? So is it that the Chinese people are a part of what's going on with all the killings? Come here, people sing about them Chinese K already, you know. And Chinese K means say a Kalashnikov, not Kalashnikov, that's the Russian AK-47. The Chinese K, that's a Chinese made AK-47. How them are reaching Jamaica? The Chinese people them bring in big business people, them bring in all kinds of, especially the one them that own wholesale warehouses. They bring in a lot of those big containers, the shipping containers that they use to actually build houses after they empty them. Them containers, they're big like that, come in full of store worth of goods. So it's very possible these guns could be, that's another angle coming in that way. And these guys are arming thugs to protect themselves and to rub out their competition at the same time. I'm just saying, right? Not accusing nobody or nothing. I'm putting all kinds of speculation on the table. I find it very funny that this man get killed 3 months and a change after his son just get killed in the same manner from gunshot wounds. Now you know 12 rounds 12 gunshot. That means somebody stand up and them pitch 12 gunshot into one side of your car. This is either a hit, which is why I'm talking about business people killing off other business people, but using low income, low everything. Cause I'm gonna say low life, but if you have murder people like that, then yeah, you low life. But low everything. They're using the youth them. The youth them happy for likes and happy for little money in them pocket and happy for can go a party, go splash out and flash out and wear nice clothes and these things 7 days a week with no job, no legit income. They don't want to wake up and go to a 9 to 5 and then no say them have to go work extra hours and go hustle something on the road or something, set up a stall somewhere in a somebody market or something. Those things are above them. Them want nice life and big car and all these other kinds of things. So a lot of them are willing to go through these kinds of measures for it. Whether it's through extortion or from working for other people who are more powerful in the criminal world. That's why Wayne Lonesome was saying, yo, uno youth, what them I use for kill off them people here. Uno better start, because there's a camera nowadays on everything, right? And like a camera up on everything. So uno better start take video. When them I say, yo, come, me want you go kill a boy there for me and see the money here, rub him out so my business can prosper. I want to start take some video and keep these videos, archive some video footage of them money when them are using it like that. Because what's going to happen eventually is when you know too much about him and he feels threatened and him find a new killer who can do the job that you're doing, he must send somebody come rub you out. And that's how the murder rate continues to grow in Jamaica, right? I find this very strange. I'm going to leave it right here. So I think I said enough. Remember, like I said before, the video them won't be looking like how they're supposed or like how they normally look, and they won't be coming as often. Or if they're coming as often, them not gonna be pretty, right? Because where I'm at, I'm up on the road and I don't know that already. For those of you who follow SouFLoTV, so for the one them where I come on the channel, come disrespect and I talk about, hey boy, you find either topic for talk about and you know review cartel, rare. These are not my core subscribers. So I give two shits about what these people have to say. These are people that jump from channel to channel and then probably view 20 different channels on the same damn topic, right? I'm talking about my audience members who come genuinely to hear and do contribute intelligently to topics like these. All right? The SouFLoTV, man, the thing soon get better. Don't worry, I road with there, I get it. Yeah? I'm up out of here. Peace, and stay tuned for the next video, which should be the review for Cartels All Aboard, because I'm going to review it on a different level than other people review it. I'm going to break the thing down to conversational level as it pertains to what's happening today, like what happened in this video. Yeah. All right, I'm out. Peace.